So this truck here is an 88 model 379. I'm the 4th owner of it. It's only been registered in Oklahoma its whole entire life. When I bought it, it was originally a day cab and 260-inch wheelbase. And it originally from the factory had a 63-inch stand-up on it, but I put this flat top on it. And then I stretched it, put a 06 Peterbilt Flex Air cutoff on it and stretched it to 308. So I own 3C Express and my name's Buck and we're out of Shakota, Oklahoma. My dad drove, my grandfather drove. It's just kind of been around, and I didn't want nothing to do with trucking, and then I got into the oil field, and then I just got into oil field trucking, and now here I am. I just couldn't get rid of it. I went into business for myself in 2015, I believe. I was working for a guy, and he said, as hard as you work, you'd make great owning your own. He said, if you ever decide to do it, just let me know. And I said, let's do it. And he just looked at me, he said, really? And I was like, yeah. And so I went out and bought a truck and I leased it on to him, and I stayed there for a couple of years before I decided to do something different. I've got 2 other trucks currently on top of this one that I'm running. They're both Peterbilts. One's a short hood and the other one's an extended hood stand-up, 379s. We've completely redone the whole truck. When I bought it, it was just an old farm truck, and it was my first 379 I ever bought, and I used it in the oil field, and you still use it today. It's got a B model cat with a 15-speed and 336 rears. I've got a bigger turbo, bigger air-to-air, bigger aftermarket exhaust manifold on it. I've turned it up, but I've never put it on a dyno. So when I rebuilt it this time, I went off of a Miranda Lambert song called Pretty Bitchin', and I've just tried to do everything I could to tie that song in all around the truck. White lettering the tires. I put pink carpet in the truck to match the song. We just kind of went through and tried to tie everything down and have a good theme. I just thought it'd be a cool truck show theme. My wife loves Miranda Lambert, and I figured that song would fit with the colors really well. And my wife's favorite colors are black and purple. She was a little mad I put pink on it. She's like, I don't like pink, but it got pink put on it anyway. I think it just kind of helps make it pop and kind of bring out some of the color in it, some of that wow factor. You got to have a wow factor. The purple's Illusion Purple. The pink is 1970 Dodge Challenger Panther Pink, and then it's just regular black, flat black. That's an old grill that I was told I couldn't have my grill for this in the show. It has chrome naked ladies cut out in it, and they deemed that was probably not professional. So, and that's also what the truck was named before I rebuilt it, was Ruby. It was originally named Ruby, so we've redone it, and I have a whole bunch of chrome naked lady stuff that I put all over it to go with the theme of Pretty Bitchin', but they said that would probably be frowned upon, so we removed it for this show. So, and then we painted the doors on the inside to match the straps on the outside, and we also painted the stripes on the floor in the cab. In the sleeper, I put pink carpet to kind of match the song, because the song says there's pretty pink carpet on the floor. So we just tried to do a whole lot of stuff to tie everything all together. We put purple lights in it, JML lights. It looks pretty sharp at night. I didn't plan on redoing it, but it got wrecked, and so that's why I rebuilt it. It was at a Love's truck stop, and they got backed into and took the whole driver's side off of it. So left me no choice. Here we are.